Hello and welcome to an amazing first order hosting a discount coupon code video. In this video, there is a special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video for those who are going to buy their hosting from Hostinger for the first time. Plus, I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running discount deal if you click on the link in the description. Plus, I will tell you step-by-step tutorial on how you can use it. So let's get started. Once you click on exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video, you will be landed on a page like this where you can see your online success starts now. And if you simply select the start now, you will be moved to the plans where you can see an amazing 79% running. But I will tell you how you can get as much as up to 91% off. And before we start, I'm going to move back over here, and then I'm going to tell you there are a few things why Hostinger is an amazing choice. So for your first order, look around on the reviews. This was how I got inspiration to buy my hosting from Hostinger for the first time. So look around on the reviews. 5 star, 5 star, customer support, appreciation, customer service helped me. So this was great products. Almost everyone praises them for their services. And even if you look around on the negative reviews, they may be very minimal. And the best thing with Hostinger is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. Plus, you can create your website within minutes with their creative website builder. And Hostinger also supports WordPress, and you can create your WordPress website or you can migrate to Hostinger free of cost. 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a prime hosting company, and even I'm using it. So now move on to their plans and let's get started to get your first order discount. So you can use any plan, but my recommendation: do a thorough research of all the plan features functions. So I recommend you to do the view all features and do a thorough comparison of all the plan features before you select any plan for your first order discount. So let's say we're going with a business plan. Simply select the juice plan after doing a thorough research of all the plan features functions for your requirement. So because you can avail this scope discount on any plan, make sure to use the link in the mentioned description of this video. Now you'll be landed over here and you can see an amazing 3 months discount running right now. Limited time exclusively from your audience for those who have clicked on the link in the description. Now you can offer billing period. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. Now this discount is valid only in 48, 24 and 12 months. But my recommendation, why to offer the 48 months? Because with 48 months you're getting 3 months extra free. You're also getting free domain. Let's say for the free domain, I'm going to write my domain over here. Free domain is for the first year. Let me be transparent with it. You can write any name over here, or you can choose later on from your account as well, account panel as well. So I'm going to grab this one for the first year. And they have, I'm going to make it first year so you do not have to pay. Now this is an exclusive prices for those who have clicked on the link in the description. So now I'm going to select I have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price got a special discount on already running discount. Isn't it amazing? Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use. So you can use either of the coupon code. So let me write the other one as well. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply over here, and you're going to see that your price got a full discount. So you're getting free daily backups, free extra month, free domain name for the first year for free, icon free. Do your math yourself. With the 48 months, extra 3 months, daily backup, and a free domain. Plus exclusive special 30 days money back guarantee. So now select the continue. Once you select the continue, you may be asked to log into your account at Hostinger, or if you are using it for the first time, you need to create a new account, or you can synchronize with the Google account. I'm now logged in, so now the process is very easy. Write my billing details over here, simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment methods. Hostinger offers you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. So let's say we're going into credit card. The process is very easy and quick. Write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment, and within a few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So yeah, good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. This is exclusively for the people who click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I have told you in this video. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.